Hello everyone, Chef Marisa Canzaro here today.
And Jonah,
Today I'm going to be preparing for you Torta di Zucchine al Cioccolato.
which is zucchini chocolate cake.
This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started.
These are the ingredients that we need for our zucchini chocolate cake.
Okay, now that we have all the ingredients mixed together, I'm going to add the walnuts and slowly add the zucchini. This is the last part of this cake. The frosting is ready to go. I'm going to scoop it in a bowl, set it on the side, then wait till the cake is cooled off, and then we're going to frost it later on. Here's our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe, and bon appetit!